The Outer Hebrides, just off the north coast of Scotland. Rugged coastlines, beautiful beaches. Island is steeped in history, from the Pictish rocks to the Callanish standing stones, which date back 5,000 years. Also, my name is Ali, aka Outdoor Ali. Join me as we go on this adventure, wild camping in random places, braving the elements, the gale force winds, and having a bit of humour as we go along the way. Right guys, just going to be exploring the Isle of Harris today. Also going across to the Isle of Scalpay. The Isle of Harris and the Isle of Lewis, they're not actually separated by a body of water. The only thing that separates the Isle of Harris from the Isle of Lewis is it's like a little mountain range in Harris, which I'm just driving through just now. So yeah, going to drive into Harris and then we're going to go across to the Isle of Scalpay. No real plans, don't really know. I know there's a lighthouse in the Isle of Scalpay, and as for Harris, yeah, I'm just going to take it as it comes. I can't do any filming outside because it's just far too windy, so I'm just going to be doing scenes of the landscape, then back in the car talking. Still can't get my Bluetooth microphone to work, so yeah. I would come in Outer Hebrides during a storm. STORM Babet, nightmare. Anyway, bring us back. It's a windy old walk to this lighthouse. Say it's only maybe 2 kilometres, I think it's called it 3 kilometres. Yeah, the wind! Let's get in here. There we are, shelter from the wind. Wee bench, table, couple of chairs, notice board. Right, time to calm down. What a cool little bothy this is. Really glad I decided to come here. It's about a 2k walk, maybe a bit more. Absolutely beautiful. This sort of makes up for not getting to stay at Bothy last night. But yeah, even though this is a Bothy, I don't think people are meant to actually stay in it. But yeah, so I'm going to go up and check out the lighthouse in a minute. Just take a bit of shelter from the wind here. Even got a rolling chair. Brilliant. Anyway, I'll bring this back. I'm up at the lighthouse. Unfortunately, I can't get to the lighthouse, guys. In fact, hold on. Let's see if we can climb up here. Alright guys, I managed to get in. I'm in the fog signal tower. I can't actually get into the main lighthouse, but yeah, the fog signal tower. Basically there's a steel trumpet just outside this little room. And yeah, an approaching fog blanket came in. The steel trumpet, which is powered by compressed air, would blast for 7 seconds every minute and a half, just to warn any ships in the area and fog is coming in. Very interesting, but again it's very windy. And yeah, coming up the little ladders almost got blown off. So yeah, risking my life for YouTube. But yeah, it's pretty cool here. Alright guys, I can see why people go on over this. Liskintyre beach, it's absolutely beautiful. You've got the mountains surrounding you and the beach just goes on forever. But yeah, I'm going to head back to this nearly wild camping site. In fact, what's this? Outdoor Alley, who's that? Like and subscribe. Right, we're heading to this nearly wild campsite. As you can see, the sun is going down. But yeah, this beach, it's not as windy as the beach from my first night. Beautiful. As you can see, there's lots of different pitches. They've all got their names. I think my one's Middle Earth. But yeah, I think I've got this place to myself. The tent is set up. They've got little stools. Try not to trip over the guy line. Little stools, fireplaces, and it's quite sheltered, which is what I need, sheltered from the wind. And I've also got a little boffy, which in case the weather turns is well stocked up, and I shall show you that just now. The light is on, I don't know if anybody's in the boffy. No. A nice wee boffy, nice wee toilet, kitchen, and I've got all this to myself. I think there's one caravan that's outside. Even got charging for my phone. I know this is cheating guys, this is luxury, but yeah, if it starts raining I'll be in here tonight, but otherwise I'll be in my tent. I don't need all this luxury. Last night in Outer Hebrides, yeah, it's been a crazy trip, but yeah, I've enjoyed it eventually. Obviously massive disappointment with the boffy, I've probably said a few times in the video, but yeah, this campsite I'm at, Liquisto campsite on Isle of Harris. It's really quirky. The owner is really friendly. There's lots of different pitches and they've all got little names. And you've got the use of a boffy, several showers if you need it. I'm obviously roughing it out here. campfire. There's a little stove inside the buffet you can use. Sorry, smoke was getting into my eye here, but yeah. Just having a nice wee chilled out night. Having a vodka and Red Bull. Unfortunately, I've no Buckfast left. Did try to get it in the town Tarbert, but they never sold it. But yeah. Sorry, this smoke is killing me. But yeah, I'm going to show you around this campsite in the morning. All the different little pitches and stuff. £15 a night, you can't go wrong. I could probably sleep in that buffet tonight on one of the couches with the stove on, and the guy wouldn't mind. The owner here is really friendly as well, Greg. So yeah, definitely highly recommend it. And yeah, just I might have a wee lie-in tomorrow. The ferry's not until 12 o'clock, so yeah. Gonna enjoy my night here, my last night, now that it's actually sort of calm weather. First time it's been calm the full time I've been on this island. Hopefully get this place nice and toasty soon. Alright guys, if you're still watching this video so far, then thank you very much. This trip has been in the planning for a couple of years now. Always wanted to go to that buffet in the north for Isleoflewis. Unfortunately, I picked the wrong time of the year. Yeah, it was just too bad. The 60-70 mile per hour gust. I was actually on my hands and knees crawling to get the buffet. It was really scary. So yeah, obviously, as you know, had the kibosh plans and yeah, stay in the backpacking hostel. I never really filmed it, it's just a backpacking hostel, but yeah. Today, I went to Isle of Scalpay, the lighthouse, that was beautiful. And then went up to Luscantire Beach again, that was beautiful. And I was looking for wild camping spots, but yeah, I just thought, tell what, I'll go to a camping site. Wasn't expecting much, but yeah, this camping site is brilliant. And I basically got it to myself. I think there's one camper van which is camped outside. He's not coming in, he's not using the buffet, so it's just me and the buffet. Also, I want to give a shout out to the people who made this trip possible. I do my lives on a Friday night, and over the last sort of 3 months I've sort of been saving up the money for petrol towards this trip. So yeah, to everybody who's donated on my live chats on a Friday night, my live streams, thank you very much. It's helped massively to make this, I'll say, a dream possible, because yeah, it is. I don't care about going to places like Spain and Egypt, wherever people want to go. I wanted to go to Outer Hebrides. I know it might sound strange, but yeah, this is my dream. My dream is to go to this buffet. But yeah, I'm going to get there. I might do it next year. But yeah, it didn't work out as planned. The weather's crazy, as you know. The UK's been hit with Storm Babet just now, and my thoughts are, a woman died overnight, so my thoughts are with her friends and family. Yeah, the country's quite unsafe just now, this storm. I think I heard the town of Brecon was being evacuated. I've got limited internet signal on Outer Hebrides, so yeah, I was in Stornoway and I got a little bit of news through on my phone and internet, but yeah, the signal over here is patchy, especially if you're with free, which is it's a shit signal. So yeah, I managed to make 2 calls to my son, just let him know I'm okay. But yeah, so big shout out to the people in their lives who've helped me. Also, I just want to say a big thanks to Sunblesa. They provided me with a couple of head torches. They gave me one to do in a giveaway. Really nice head torches. So yeah, don't know if you can see this. They gave me a head torch. I believe it's 365 lumens. I was using this head torch, not this one. I've got another one I was using, but it gave me one for a giveaway. So yeah, I think it's got 5 different light modes, 365 lumens. Try not to blaze using the camera, but yeah, it's got a red light, small white light, brighter white light, brighter again. I might put the specs up on the screen, but yeah, extremely lightweight head torches. Yeah, they look quite smart, blue writing on them. So yeah, I'm going to do a giveaway for one of these head torches. If you put in #Hebrides in the comments, and yeah, on one of my live streams I'll do a random comment picker and I'll pick out a winner. So yeah, #Hebrides, and you can win a head torch. So thank you very much for Sunblesa, and they are good head torches. I've used it when I was on the beach the first night, and I've been using it tonight as well without charging again. So yeah, it's good power. Also, Sunblesa last year sent me the bivy light. This thing, I've been using this for ages. This is brilliant. It's got a magnetic strip. It can fit on the edge of your tent and it clips on. It's got a red light, a brighter red light, green light, a brighter green light, white light and a brighter white light. This is my go-to lamp when I'm out camping. It's brilliant. I never actually done a review on this. They sent me this the first time a year ago, but yeah, I really love this. So yeah, check out Sunblesa. Also the headlamps, you can get them from outdoorgearessentials.co.uk as well, with the Sunblesa headlamps. Colin at Outdoor Gear Essentials, brilliant guy. He also sent me the tiny pump air pump. This is brilliant bit of kit. Pumps up your air mats. Can also use it as a lamp. Just hold the button in. Brighter. This is brilliant for using in your tent. It's got a little ring on it as well, so you can just hang from your lantern hanging point inside your tent. So yeah, thank you to Colin at outdoorgearessentials.co.uk for that. Yeah, really friendly guy. UK based seller. Tents, anything you need. Wild camping stuff, anything you need. But yeah, so I'm just going to sit here. I've got a log fire going, have a few more drinks, then it's time to get a ferry back to normal life tomorrow. But this is no wild camping, it's no roughing it, but yeah, I've enjoyed the trip. So right guys, I'll see you later. In fact, I'm going to have a wee shot of this. 50% Mintu, a wee nightcap, get me to sleep. Dynamite. Right guys, I'm enjoying myself. Thank you very much for watching. This might be the end of the video, it might not be. You might see me drunk later on, run about in here, or I might show you some more on the ferry tomorrow, but right, I'll see you later. Morning guys, from the toilet. Just came into this little toilet. It's got a window overlooking the hills, overlooking the water. This is brilliant. This is well thought out, this campsite. Yeah, this is brilliant. So I'm just sitting in the toilet, doing my business. Yeah, my ferry got cancelled this morning, but there is a later sailing. So yeah, me hanging about the island for a few more hours. just thankfully this ferry's not going to get cancelled. But yeah, it's time to go home now.